AT&T Stadium.
It's a lot of fun to be here. It's been awesome.
I absolutely love it.
Welcoming, inviting, sharing, and fun, of course.
Putting dreams in driveways. That's what we're doing.
Now, just getting to be here, this is insane. Having a venue like this, you get to invite everybody in Texas out for free. Just come in, have a good time, watching all the the smiles on the faces, the kids in the bounce houses, work all year long. This is actually our celebration. That's why I like this. We do other shows, but it's not a party like this. This is an actual party.
That was our thought process behind it. Just make it fun. Free to get in, free to park. Everything's free but the campers.
Today we are at AT&T Stadium looking at a lot of RVs.
Funtown offers a huge variety of different types of RVs. You have your small little pods to your big Class A motorhomes. People that are just getting started into RVing, this would be the place to go.
Just come good prices.
Prices are
The first event we had here at AT&T was 2018. We set up out there in parking lot 14. We were worthy enough to take over AT&T Stadium. Feeling of walking out there where the Cowboys play and you're on the same field, it never gets old.